Okay, so in this example, my virtual machine is booted up. What I'm going to do is click on this window, and then I'm going to press Shift F10 to bring up an administrator command prompt. What I'll do here is make the font slightly bigger so that it's easier to see. So there you go. I'm going to type version. You don't have to do this. I simply want to show you the version of Windows that I'm running. So it says version 10, 26200. It's actually Windows 11, 25H2, and then 26200. So I downloaded the Windows 11 25H2 English x64 ISO from Microsoft, and that's what I'm using on this virtual machine. So the first method that you need to try, this is one of the easiest methods, is to type start ms- or dash if you prefer, CXH or local only. And what that will do is allow you to create a user on this PC, and I'll just specify my username of David. I won't put a password in, and I'll click next. And what you'll see now is I don't have to connect to the internet if I don't want to, and my Windows machine is being set up. So there you go, Windows is being set up. I can now choose my privacy settings. So I'm going to turn off all of these options, and I'm going to click accept. And there you go. Windows has started. If I click on here, you can see this is a local account. Or if you prefer, I'll go to system. You can see David is a local account on this computer. I'm going to type WinVersion, and you can see I'm running Microsoft Windows version 25H2 build 26200 6584. So hopefully that method will work for you, but if it doesn't, like it won't do in this version of Windows, I'll show you another method that works. Okay, so here is a different version of Windows. I'm going to press Shift F10 again. So version of Windows is 26220 now. That's a different version. Previous version was 26200. So this is a different version. And now if I try and do start ms-cxh local only, let's see what happens in this version of Windows. So I'm going to press enter. You'll notice it shows a pop-up to allow you to set your username, but it simply reboots. That doesn't work in this release. So again, start ms-cxh local only. That doesn't work in this release of Windows. But that's not going to stop us. So that method only works in some versions of Windows. If you get a new laptop today, it'll probably still work at the time of this recording. But if you are downloading a new ISO, it may stop working. Now, I did say I was going to go from easy to hard, but I'm going to jump a little bit ahead because my first method didn't work here. So I'm going to show you sort of my third method, and then I'll go and show you my second method. But don't worry too much about the order. This is the way that still works on the latest insider builds of Microsoft Windows.